Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm gonna do a comparison between Philips nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. It is also called NT3000 series versus Philips Multigroom series 5000. So guys, in the Philips NT3000 series, which is also called nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer, it comes with two separate combs. Okay, one is 3 mm and the other one is 5 mm, and these combs are for trimming the eyebrows. Okay, but in multi-groom series, which is also called series 5000, it is only for your hair, face, nose and ear. It cannot be used for the eyebrows. Okay, because it does not come with any eyebrows comb. The second thing is this Philips NT3000, it comes with a battery. You can also remove the battery, so you can see over here I just take it out. Okay, it's come with a battery, so this is the battery. You can change it if it's finished. It is a durable battery, alkaline battery, so you just insert it and then you can simply use it, and if it's finished you can insert a new one. But for the series 5000, it does not have any removable battery. You just have to charge it. It comes with a charger, so here is the charger for the series 5000. So guys, there is also the price difference between both, because this is only for nose, ear and eyebrows. So the price for this is $16 or 1075 rupees, but the price for this multi-groom series is around $34 or 2300 rupees, because it can be used for your hair, for beard. As you can see, it comes with different combs for hair, beard, and this one is for the nose and ear. And you can see there is a different size. This one is the small one and is also light in weight, but this one is a big in size, and it also more heavier than this one. So guys, and now I'm going to talk about some of the similarities. So both are waterproof. You can put under the water, and while you are washing it, you can just simply turn it on or off, so it will completely clean this trimmer. Okay, and then for this one you can also put it under water. You can wash it. Both are waterproof. The other thing is both come with 2 years of warranty. So guys, if we talk about their functionality, how you can use it, so for both of them you have to insert no more than zero point 0.5 centimeter into your nose, and then just simply rotate it. Okay, but first you have to clean your nose before using it. And for the ear, you have to insert no more than 0.5 centimeter into your ears, and then just simply rotate it for trimming your hairs. Same thing with this multi-groom series. So you can see over here, you can also remove it and you can insert different parts, but for the nose and ear you have to use only this part. So you have to insert no more than 0.5 centimeter into your nose, and then just simply rotate it. And for your ears as well, you have to just put no more than 0.5 centimeter and just simply rotate it to trim your hairs. Okay, the other thing is this one has a dual blade as well with the protection system, so it will not harm your skin. And same thing with this, it will not harm your skin, so both are protected. So guys, if you only want to use the trimmer for nose, ear or eyebrow, you can go for this, which is less in price, and it is specifically for nose, ear and eyebrows. But you cannot use it for your hairs or for your beard, for your face you cannot use it. But if you want to use for your hair trimming, for your beard trimming, or for nose and ear, you can use this one as well. But this one does not come with the eyebrow comb, so you cannot use it for eyebrows. Okay, for this one, if you want to insert it, you can insert this eyebrow comb over the top like that, and then simply you can just move it from outside towards inside for your eyebrows. So you can also use it for eyebrows as well. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.